Getting support from the universe according to the principles of law of attraction involves align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the positive outcomes you desire. Here are steps you can take to harness this support. Number 1. Set clear intentions. Clearly define what you want. Be specific about your goals and desires. The more details your vision, the easier it is for the universe to understand and respond. Number 2. Visualize your goals. Spend time each day visualizing your goals as if they are already achieved. Imagine the details, emotion, and experiences associated with achieving your desires. This helps to reinforce your intention and send a clear signal to the universe. Number 3. Maintain a positive mindset. Cultivate positive thoughts and emotions. Focus on gratitude, joy, and optimism. Avoid dwelling on negative thoughts or fears as they can attract undesirable outcomes. Use affirmation. Regularly use positive affirmation to reinforce your intention. These are statements that reflect your desired reality, such as I am successful, I attract abundance, or I am surrounded by love. While thoughts and feelings are important, action is also necessary. Take steps forward to your goals even if they are small. Inspired action that align with your intention help to manifest your desires. Number 6. Trust the process. Have faith that the universe is working to support you. Trust that everything is happening in the right time and order. Avoid impatience or doubt, as they can hinder the manifestation process. Number 7. Practice gratitude. Express gratitude for what you have and for what you are manifesting. Gratitude helps to maintain a positive mindset and attract more positive experiences. Number 8. Surround yourself by positivity. Surround yourself with positive influences, including people, environment, and media. This helps to reinforce your positive energy and intentions. Number 9. Let go of attachment. While it is important to be clear about your desires, it's also crucial to let go of attachment or specific outcomes. Trust that the universe knows the best way to bring your desire to fruition if it doesn't happen exactly as you envision. Number 10. Meditate and reflect. Spend time in meditation or quiet reflection. This helps to clear your mind, reduce stress, and strengthen your connection to your inner guidance and the universe. By following these steps, you can align yourself with the positive energy of the universe and attract the support you need to achieve your goals and desires. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe.